Okay, so I am going to do a meal plan video for you guys. So today is, I don't even know what day it is. What day is today? Today is Monday, September the 16th. So you guys are gonna be seeing this next week. So today, Monday, September 16th. What do I have written down? Let's take a look. Okay, so for today, Monday, September 16th, I have stir fry written down using the leftover pork roast. So let's go cook that. Okay, and here is a stir fry using, using the leftover pork. And what I did is I had some like peppers in the fridge. I got some broccoli. Oh, what else do I got in here? I got carrots, peas, a whole bunch of different little things, and everything is pretty much from the freezer or leftovers. So take those leftovers and make some new meals. So there we go. Dinner for Monday night. We'll be back for tomorrow night's dinner. I just realized I forgot to mention, I made a sauce for this with, let's see, what was in there? There was chicken stock, coconut aminos, peanut sauce, peanut oil, no, it's not peanut, sesame oil, sesame butter, and some ginger. So that was the sauce that was put on it. Okay, now I'm gonna go eat. Okay, so for Tuesday, September 17th, I have stuffed peppers, rice, and green beans written down. Now I did have sweet and sour meatballs. Plans change. So we're going with stuffed peppers. The green beans I think is going to change to salad as well, but we will see. We will see. Let's see where this boat goes. Okay, so I am done. Well, I'm still cooking dinner, but I've got the, what are those called? Stuffed peppers done. I don't know why my camera isn't focusing quite properly. I don't know. So I got those done. There'll be a little bit leftovers because Katie won't eat these. She's going to have leftover meatloaf. And then I've got the, these are garden vegetables, so green and yellow green beans with carrots. And I have a pot of rice, up here cooking. That will be done soon. It's not quite done yet. There we go. There's our dinner tonight. Yummy. We'll go and eat up once everything's done cooking. Okay, Wednesday, September 18th. We have pork chops, rice, spinach, and rice written down. I already know that I'm not making that for the vegetable tonight. And I know I'm not making rice. I'm actually going to make French fries because I'm feeling that lazy right now. Okay, so let's go see how this worked out in the end. Okay, and so this is what I ended up by making. We've got the pork chops, French fries, carrots, cucumber, and 1 piece of celery for the kids. This one's mine, just a little bit of meat. I honestly am not super hungry. Some fries. It looks like a big pile of fries. It really isn't. And my other two, I just got to finish their plates. They're not home yet. So, we're going to go eat now. Thursday, September 19th. I'm looking at it. I forgot what day it was. We're having barbecued chicken breast and salad. Nice, simple, clean, and easy. That is what we're having for dinner tonight. Okay, and for dinner we've got some where's my finger? There it is. Some barbecued chicken. I'm gonna let that sit and rest because I just pulled it off the barbecue. And I have a nice, big, huge bowl of salad here. We've got carrots, cucumber, celery, peppers, all colors, and green onions, and of course lettuce. And hopefully there's still a little bit of salad left over. There may not be. But I don't have any seeds or anything in here because I don't have any right now. I gotta get some. But there is dinner. Salad and chicken. And the cat's breakfast tomorrow. Yep. Okay, so September, Friday the 20th, we are having steak, baked potatoes, beans, and broccoli. Now I'm just gonna pause this for a moment and bring you over here because I forgot I was recording this. My dad's over for the weekend. So we've got the broccoli, the beans. These are the like the Amish style baked beans with the ham in them. Steak, a big pile of steak. Now we are not going to be eating all of that tonight. Some of it will be used for lunches and that. And baked potatoes. Okay, there we go. There is our dinner for Friday night. So I'm sitting here editing this video and I realized I didn't close it out. It's probably best I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you are interested in seeing more of these, because I think I'm gonna keep going with this direction for the meal plan videos. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.